All praise is due to Allah. We praise Him and seek His help. We seek refuge in Allah from the evil. And whoever Allah guides, no one can misguide him. And whoever Allah misguides, no one can guide him. And I testify that there is no God but Allah alone without partner. And I bear witness that may Prophet Allah's peace and blessing upon him is his slave and messenger of Allah. After that, I am greeting you ungreetable greeting which cannot be greeted by greeters, that is peace of Allah be upon you. After greeting, before I immerse in my lecture, let me introduce myself. My name is Shamsa Abdullah Muhammad and my surname Dr. Shalu Abdullah, and I am a student at Al Primary and Secondary School and I live in Mogadishu City. After that, today I want to talk about lecture about Teachers Day. Everyone, welcome to all my respected teachers, everyone present here. Today I am here to deliver a speech. Teachers Day. Dear teacher, only this day is not your day. Every day is your day. I would like to start my speech by thanking all my beloved teachers for always guiding us and bestowing us with all the teachings, morals, values, and discipline. Teachers Day in Somali is celebrated every year on the 21 November. Teachers are the makers of a great nation, hence teachers are always kept in the just position. They guide us in our life to become the best person. Our teachers not only teach us simple or difficult problems, but gives us the confidence to face problems in our lives and help us to learn, communicate, and appreciate the great work. Last but not least, I would like to end my speech by thanking you all for providing me with an opportunity to deliver a speech on my beloved teachers on this occasion of Teachers Day. I feel proud to call myself a student of this institute, which has helped me of evolving as a better person and giving me vision to learn new things every day. So, all my teachers, happy Teachers Day.